OpenSpace AI is being promoted as a cutting-edge tool that can transform construction projects using real-time visual data and AI. But the real question is whether it actually improves outcomes or just sounds impressive. Now, the idea behind this isn't hype. OpenSpace is a real, widely used platform that focuses on reality capture, basically turning job sites into searchable visual data using 360 degrees cameras and AI. However, here's the key point. It's not a full ERP or project manager replacement. It's a specialized tool that works best alongside other systems. What it actually does well: automated site documentation. Workers can walk the site with a camera, and the system automatically creates a Google Street View style map of progress. Real-time progress tracking. AI maps images to plans and BI models, helping teams compare plan versus actual work. Where falls short, not beginner-friendly for small teams. The platform is built for enterprise-level construction projects, not small contractors. Cost and pricing opacity. Pricing is not public and often requires sales negotiation, commonly reported as expensive. So, does it actually help in construction? Short answer: yes, when used correctly. For large projects, it can significantly improve visibility, coordination, and documentation for smaller teams. It may feel expensive and overly complex. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.